Suddenly I'm famous and people know my name. I've got 1,000 girls just waiting, and therefore it's a shame that my heart has been captured by your funny little smile. And finally I'm happy, if only for a while. People call me stupid for treating you like a queen, but I don't even worry, 'cause you're my unforeseen. And I hope that you'll be with me, if only in my dreams. But here you are next to me, and you're glad, or so it seems. And I don't know for sure where this is going still. I hope for more and more, 'cause who would know that you would treat me like a boy, and I treat you like a girl in this funny little world.